Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to change your furnace's air filters. Why am I talking about this? Well, I know we just started fall, but I hate to tell you, winter is just around the corner. And you need to have a clean air filter for your furnace, and you should probably change it probably once every month. Some manufacturers, if you have disposable air filters, they say change anywhere from 1 to 3 months. You've got to read the box to find out why. And the reason, what they suggest. And the reason why you want to change your air filters is that in the furnace, your air filter will collect a lot of dust and a lot of debris. And if you don't clean them out, what you're doing is you're forcing your furnace to work much harder to push that air through that air filter, and it becomes less efficient, which means your heating bills are going to go up. And let's be honest, if you're pushing your furnace to go to its limit all the time, it will break down a lot sooner, so it ages it much quicker. And did you also know that if you do have disposable air filters, you reuse them? That's right. You can take out the air filter and vacuum it and put it back in. And if you have a foam filter, well, you're able to take it out and vacuum it as many times as you like. So there's a tip for you today. You don't have to always throw out your disposal ones. And if you have foam ones, you can use them over and over again. That'll also save you some money in the long run. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.